Hey, this is Chet Bornova. Hope you're having a great day today. I'm so excited about showing you guys my free AI prompt generator tool for social media content for post, captions, and hooks. Okay. Yesterday, I made one that actually had to do with email sequences, so make sure you watch that one. So excited. So basically, I'll give you the link in a little while. I'm gonna show you basically how this works and how you can use it in the real world for your business. Let's say you have an opt-in page that you're promoting or something like that. That's what I'm gonna show you today. So basically what we're gonna do is we're just gonna scroll down here. So once I give you the link, you're gonna come over here. And then what we're going to do is we're going to come over here and I'm just going to go, we're going to be talking about, let's see here, claim 3,000 free ChatGPT prompts. All right, claim 3,000 free ChatGPT prompts. Whoops. Whoopsie, I keep spelling things wrong. All right, claim 3,000 free ChatGPT prompts. That will help your online business. All right, so we got that right there. I'm just going to copy that so just I have it, just in case I mess something up. All right, so we'll copy that. Now we're going to scroll right here. Like I said, there's 7 different features. We've already gone over the blog post feature. We've already gone over the sales page feature. And then yesterday we went over the email sequence. Today we're going to do the social media. So we're going to come over here. And then we're going to scroll down here to platform, social media. And then we're going to do, right here, we're going to do beginners, because that's usually what, when you have an offer for people, it's usually people that are trying to learn something. I always like the friendly, encouraging, but you can do other ones, professional and authoritative, casual and conversational, high converting and direct response, educational and step-by-step. So any one of these are good. I just like the friendly and encouraging ones because that's just what I like. Now with social media, I don't think you should go crazy with it. So I always do short, but you can do the medium and then you can do the long. I'm going to do the short one. And basically what we're going to do is we're going to make sure we got everything here. Claim 3,000 free ChatGPT prompts that will help your online business. Okay. We're going to do social media posts. Here we go here. Social media for the platform. We're going to do beginners here. And let's see here, we got the friendly and encouraging and then short. Okay, so now all we do is just keep these checked right here. Then we check generate the prompt with our free AI prompt generator tool for social media content for post, captions, and hooks. Okay, so now we're going to copy it like we just said. And now we're going to come over here to ChatGPT, but also you can actually use ChatGPT, Claude, and other AI writers. So we're just going to come over here. I'm just going to paste it in here. So make sure you have a fresh one. And we're going to go right here and it's going to put together some social media posts that you will be able to use that will help you build your online business and take your business to the next level. And I would use it to promote, your blog posts and opt-in pages, so you can build your email list and all that good stuff. So here it is. It's an outline right here. Shows you right here. Shows you the hook, the problem, solution, bulleted wins, call to action, multiple post variations, SEO keywords, and SEO titles for meta tag, just in case you wanted to put those into a blog post or anything like that. So here we go. Here's the first one, social media posts. The topic is claim 3,000 free ChatGPT prompts for your online business. And then right here, it creates the post right here. Post number 1, beginner friendly hook. Stuck staring at a blank screen, and then it goes and shows you right here, gives you the content right here. And then what you would do is you would just add your URL to this post. Usually you want to do it in a second or in basically your first comment if you're doing it in Facebook. But make sure you're always adding your URL to your product or service that you're promoting. So here's the post for your second post for social media. You can see right here, all this good content. It's very, very good. This is post 2, confidence builder, encouraging tone, new to online business. This is for you. Okay. So then post 3, short, plus punchy, high encouragement. Not encouragement, engagement. Don't know what to post or write. And then right here, these 3,000 free ChatGPT prompts will help you. You can just see right there, like I said, add your URL. And then here's some keywords that you can actually use. So if you want to like put this in a blog post, show people, what you've done, you can have a title to that blog post, then you can have a meta description. And then if you want to have some more posts, like right here, it says, write these for Facebook, X, Instagram, and LinkedIn. So this will do all the social media networks, all that. And you can just see right here, this literally happened in literally less than a minute that you got access to all this. Then when we set it up over here, it just was taking me time because I was showing you. This would probably take you less than 30 seconds. If you're really thinking about it, it might take you a few minutes just because you want to figure out what you're doing. But it is so simple, okay? So basically, what I want to show you is so say you come over here, say this is the 3,000 free ChatGPT prompts to supercharge your business. And I'll put a link in below this video too, and in the first comment, you can click on this and you can actually get this for free. And you can sign up and this can help you build your business also. But what you want to do is, like I said, this is the real world, showing you how that I actually do it myself. You can take a blog post, do the same thing, take some information from here, post it, paste it right into here, and then, fill in the information right here so you can get your social media post info, okay? It is that simple. So if you want to get our free AI prompt generator tool for social media content, for posts, captions, and hooks, make sure you click the link below in the description and the first comment area, and it will take you to this page right here. Make sure you share this video all across YouTube and other social media networks. You can click right here and share it on Facebook, X, which is Twitter, Pinterest, LinkedIn, and Reddit. We are so excited to help you guys take your business to the next level. Make sure you post in the comments some of your social media posts that you actually created with the free AI prompt generator tool for social media content. We want to see it. Post your URL to your site that we can actually see, what you're actually promoting. You can even post your social media, different profile pages and all that stuff so we can see it. We like to comment on it and help you guys out. And like I said, make sure you share that. If you want to look at a little bit more information here, you can. You can scroll down. You can see other stuff here if you want to just check other stuff out here. But thanks again for watching this video. Tomorrow's video I will make about right here product descriptions. So this will help you create product descriptions that will make people take action and buy your products fast. And literally all this gets set up in really seconds once you know what you're doing, but in a couple minutes. And then once you take it over here to ChatGPT and you put it in there, it literally takes probably like a minute or two for it to be written, or even less. So again, if you have any kind of questions, anything you want to post them in the comments here, and I'll get back to you within 24 to 48 hours. Thanks again. This is Chap Nova. I'll see you in the next video. Have yourself a great day. Talk to you soon.